Welcome to our video about what's new for the portal, dashboarding, and modeling in IBM Cognos Analytics 11.0.10, where we'll cover Firefox Quantum support, adding URL content objects, exporting a dashboard to a PDF, drilling through from a dashboard to a report, and relinking in a data module. If you use Firefox Quantum, you may be interested to know that it is now supported for Cognos Analytics, including reports. Use URLs to keep the files and websites you use most frequently at your fingertips. You can create a URL object and store it in My Content or anywhere in Team Content that you have write access. In My Content or Team Content, navigate to where you want to store the URL. Here, I've created a folder called URL Links. Click the New icon at the top right of the panel and select URL. Enter a name for the entry. In this case, Knowledge Center Create a URL, and a description if you like, then enter the URL. If the URL points to a website address, the protocol must be included. Additionally, the URL must use a valid domain as specified by your administrator. To view a list of acceptable domains, click View Acceptable Domains. These are defined in the IBM Cognos Application Firewall settings under Security in Cognos Configuration. Click OK. Clicking on the URL I just added opens the website in a new browser tab or window, like this. Now you can create a PDF of your dashboard to print out or share electronically. Tap the More icon and select Export to PDF. This option is not available in edit mode. In the resulting dialog, select a page size and orientation. For this example, I'll select Letter and Landscape. Click OK. The options available for additional settings or previewing, printing, or saving the PDF depend on the browser you are using. Another new feature for dashboards is the ability to drill through to a report. For example, the sample dashboard policy analysis has been set up to drill through to the Customer Lifetime Value Analysis report. This is how that was done. In edit mode, click on the Policies by State visualization to bring up the context toolbar, and click Drill Through, then Add New Drill Through. Navigate to Team Content, Samples, Reports, select Customer Lifetime Value Analysis, and click OK. The parameter for the report is on the left. Select State from the drop-down list of data columns for the dashboard. By default, the drill-through definition will apply to all visualizations on the dashboard that use that data source. Click Apply. Now that there is a drill-through definition in place, if I select Drill Through from the context toolbar, I can drill through to the report or click Manage, which allows me to edit or delete existing definitions or add another one. I don't need to do that right now, so I'll cancel. Save the dashboard and switch out of edit mode. Right-click on Arizona in the Policies by State visualization and select Drill Through from the context toolbar. Because there is only one drill-through definition, the Customer Lifetime Value Analysis report opens, and the state is set to Arizona. If there is more than one, you will be prompted to select which one you want to use. Because the drill-through definition was not limited to the Policies by State visualization, back on the dashboard I can select a state, I'll choose Washington this time, then click another visualization such as Total Policies, and select Drill Through from the context toolbar, and Washington is passed to Customer Lifetime Value Analysis. The Global Sales report already had a product line and year parameter, but I've added an optional order method parameter to use for this next demonstration. In edit mode on the product line dashboard, I'm going to add a filter on order method to apply to the first tab. When you drill through to a report, included values from a filter for either the current tab or for all tabs are used when drilling through to a report. Open the data sources, expand Sample File Go Sales, and drag order method type to the This Tab filter area. Set the included values to email, sales visit, and web, and click OK. Next, I'll add a drill-through definition to the Revenue by Product Line visualization. Click on the visualization to bring up the context toolbar and click Drill Through, then Add New Drill Through. Navigate to Team Content, Samples, Reports, select Global Sales, and click OK. Select the data columns for the dashboard to match each of the report parameters: product line, year, and order method type. This time I'll uncheck Apply to All and click Apply. Save the dashboard and switch out of Edit mode. When I right-click on the Camping Equipment 2016 bar and select Drill Through from the Context toolbar, the Global Sales Report opens with 2016 and camping equipment set. If I scroll down to the Sales by Quarter and Order Method list, only the order methods included in the dashboard filter are shown. For data modules, the new ability to relink to a different source will be useful if, for example, you want to switch from a development dataset to production, or switch to a new source if an existing one becomes invalid. After a successful relink, global calculations and relationships defined in the data module will still be valid, and reports and dashboards based on the data module will use the new source without needing any changes. To show this process, I'm going to relink the sample customer analysis data module to a new source. Open the data module. Open the Sources panel by clicking on Source View. Click the More menu for the data source and select Relink. On the list of source types, select the one that matches the current source type, in this case, Uploaded Files. In the list of uploaded files, I'll check the box for Customer Analysis New. The name doesn't need to match the current source. Then click Done. The relink was successful, so we see a confirmation message, and if I scroll down the data module, I can see that the calculations are still in place. Finally, save the updated data module. For a relink to be successful, the target source must be the same type as the original source. Uploaded file to uploaded file, data server to data server, and so on. All the columns from the original source must exist in the target source. Matching on column identifier properties is case sensitive, and the data types must match. For data servers, packages, and data modules, all tables from the original source must exist in the target source, although there can be extra columns and tables in the target source, which can then be added to your data module. Matching on table identifier properties is not case sensitive. If there are relink errors, they're listed in the validation view. You can resolve the issues immediately, or you can save the data module and resolve the issues later. The validation process doesn't detect incompatible data types between columns. These issues must be resolved in the source data. Thank you for watching this video on what's new in IBM Cognos Analytics 11.0.10. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.